Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a squeeze page in System.io. A squeeze page is a focused landing page designed to capture a visitor's email address, helping you grow your list and nurture leads. In this guide, we'll set up the foundation inside System.io so you have the right funnel step ready to collect subscribers. Have your account open and start from the main dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the top navigation bar and go to Sites. This is where all your pages and funnels live. Inside Sites, choose Sales Funnels. You'll see a list of any funnels you've already created, plus an option to make a new one. Click Create to start a brand new funnel. When the creation window opens, enter a sample name for your funnel. You can keep it simple for now and refine it later. Using a clear naming convention will make it easier to find your work as your account grows. Next, choose the goal. Build an audience. This goal pre-configures your funnel with lead generation in mind, which is exactly what you want for a squeeze page. Once you've set the name and goal, click Save to create the funnel. You'll be returned to your funnels list. Open the funnel you just created by clicking its name. This takes you into the funnel's internal view, where you'll add and organize steps. At the bottom left, click Add Step. This creates a new page within your funnel. Give this step a clear name, such as Squeeze Page, so you and your team instantly know its purpose. Then open the type drop-down. From the list of step types, choose Opt-in Page. Selecting Opt-in Page tells System.io that this step is dedicated to email capture, ensuring the right elements and tracking are available for lead collection. That's it. The Squeeze Page step is now in place inside your funnel. If you like, take a moment to double-check the name and type so everything is labeled correctly. Good naming, consistent goals, and accurate step types will save time later when you're building out additional pages or automations. You've successfully created the structure needed for a squeeze page in System.io. From here, you can continue at your own pace by designing the page content and connecting it to your email list, knowing the core setup is complete. If you ever get lost, return to the dashboard, go to Sites, open Sales Funnels, and select your funnel to find the squeeze page step you just created. Great job getting the essentials in place.